Today I'm going to be attempting to fix my rust in my van. As you can see, it's pretty bad here. I'm going to remove the rusted paint. I'm going to sand it down, wipe it down, make it clean. Then I'm going to use, yes, 3D printing UV sensitive resin. And that should do it. We're going to set that up, and notice here is the UV lamp so that we can cure it in and make it solidly dried into the system. Now before you get started, notice I'm wearing my gloves. You also need a mask and you need a safety goggles as well. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's pour in the resin. I don't need that much. Actually, we should shake it first. Let's shake it first. Okay, that's good. That should be enough. I'm gonna bring this in because this is very light sensitive. So I'm going to store it away first. You need a small brush as well, so make sure you bring your small brush. And here's some sandpaper that I'm going to sand down the rust. Okay. And maybe tape to tape area that you don't want to paint over or put resin over. And this one is just to scrap some of the rust. I also brought in the alcohol, 90% plus alcohol, to clean up any leftover resin and all that. Wow, a lot of rust. Whoa. This is bad. This is really bad. Okay. Wow. Now you can see it's already hardened from the sun here, but I managed to poke a hole in there and get the resin out. But yeah, it's okay. So I'm gonna just apply. Okay, so now we apply the UV lamp. Wow, it's hardened right away. See that? Right away. It's amazing. Oh. You apply. It's like instant. plasticky. Very good.